Hey everybody, welcome to this video about the Quietum Plus. My name is Vic and I'm here today to share with you all the complete information about this supplement. Everything you need to know about it is here on this video, so stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure it's gonna be the most complete one you will see today on the internet about it. And I also have a really important alert that you must know before actually purchasing it, alright? So stay with me. However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find the link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video. All you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So folks, the Quietum Plus is a supplement that is 100% natural. Let's begin with this information that for me it's the most important one. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients, alright? So it's a blend of vitamins, nutrients, proteins, all of that will work on the root cause of your problem. So if you have been suffering with tinnitus, with hearing loss, for any other reason you have been suffering with a buzz in your hearing, this supplement will just be over with all of these problems, alright, and in a healthy way because it is 100% natural. So you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions because it doesn't have any, guys. All you have to do is take it every single day, to see these results. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimum treatment is of 3 months, but you can do the complete treatment of 6 months, alright? We know that because of aging, because of the environment, toxins and many other things polluting can come to our hearing, and then we have been suffering with these problems. But you don't need to suffer with it for your whole life, right? There are some alternatives, and the Quietum Plus, I think it's the best one for you right now. And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a money-back guarantee, 60 days money-back guarantee. So you can actually test it for 2 months, and if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, that they will give you 100% of your money back. So seriously, guys, you have nothing to lose here with this supplement, only benefits for you, right? But I have an alert to share with you. The only place you can purchase the original Quietum Plus is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video. And that is the only place you can purchase the original Quietum Plus from, nowhere else. So please keep that information in mind that you won't lose your money, okay? There are many people trying to sell a fake product, but the original one with all of these benefits is available only on the link below. And this part of information I wanted to share with you about the Quietum Plus, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. I hope I have answered all of your questions, but just remember you can check all the complete information about the original product on the link below. Thank you so much and see you guys around.